What I have here are the inboard brake calipers off the 2CV. Now, when I say inboard, what I mean is that these calipers are fitted inboard of the hubs of the wheels themselves, and as such they are part of the sprung weight of the car. Now, the wheels themselves and the hubs are unsprung weight. That is because they are directly in contact with the road via the tyres. Greater unsprung weight means that you have less physical control of it as it's going over the road surfaces. Whereas by bringing these brake discs and these calipers inboard here, it reduces the weight of the wheels themselves, therefore meaning that more of the weight is carried by the suspension of the car. And that leads to much better road holding. So what I'm going to do now is fit these brake calipers. Now, the brake calipers themselves are quite a simple idea. As fluid gets pumped in to the pistons, which are located here and here, just behind the brake pads, it squeezes in the calipers like so, and they move in and clamp on the disc. A little bit like a bicycle brake, an old V-brake on a bicycle. Now, the similarity between these and bicycle brakes doesn't end there, because the handbrake is operated via a cable and lever system. And those levers, when they're squeezed together, when the handbrake's pulled on, they push these two little pads, one there and one on this side, in against the disc. And that is what provides the handbrake, and also the emergency brake should the other braking system fail on the main brake pads. These just fit in here. Just taking care not to get them all contaminated. So there's our handbrake pads in, and all I have to do is fit the caliper, which basically fits onto the gearbox and transaxle at the side here. Start that off. Start that one off. And there we have our offside caliper fitted. All that needs to happen now is for our brake pipes and bleed nipples to be attached to the caliper here, and then we bleed the brakes. We've got a braking system. Brilliant. I love this car. It's just so perfectly, wonderfully, beautifully simple. Why don't they make them like this now?